Oh no! I am late. I am very late. It is 8 o'clock. Whoa! Watch out! My shoelaces!
Leo, is that you? Are you okay?
I am okay. I am fine. Just a little accident.
Good morning, Leo. Your shoe is untied. Look at your shoe.
Oops. Thank you, Mia. I am tying my shoe now.
You are late, Leo. We are going to the coffee shop. Remember?
Yes. The coffee shop. I am hungry. I want a donut.
Leo and Mia are walking to the coffee shop. It is in the city.
Where is the coffee shop? Is it left or is it right? I think I am lost. Oh no. I am lost again.
Relax, Leo. I have a map. Look at the map. We need to go straight. Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight. Go straight.
I am going straight.
Stop. The light is red. Do not cross. Now it is green. Green means go.
We are crossing the street. Walk fast, Mia.
We are here. The coffee shop.
Hooray!
Hooray!
After you, Mia. Please come in.
It smells good. Let's order our drinks. Wow. Look at the menu. There are so many drinks.
Look, Leo. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and donuts.
Hello. Can I help you? What would you like?
Yes, please. I would like a strawberry smoothie. A small one.
What size? Small, medium, or large? Large! I want the large coffee! I am very thirsty. And a donut. The pink donut, please. That is $8. Oh no! Where is my money? This is not money. This is my rubber duck. Quack, quack.
It is okay, Leo. I will pay. My treat.
Now they are waiting. Waiting for the drinks. Order for Leo. Large coffee and donut. I got it. I can carry the tray. I am strong.
Be careful, Leo. Walk slowly. Don't drop it.
Oh no! Look at his shoe. The shoelace is untied again. Whoa! My shoe! Help! No! I made a mess. I am so sorry.
It is okay, Leo. You look funny with the donut. Let's clean it up.
Don't worry. Accidents happen. I will help you. I am so sorry. Here is the donut. It was on my head. The barista is cleaning the floor. Leo is trying to help. This napkin is too small. It is not working. Here is a new coffee. It is safe. It has a lid. A cup for babies? Really? Well, okay.
Let's sit by the window. The view is nice.
This seat is comfortable. I like this place. Yummy. This coffee is delicious. It is sweet. How is your smoothie? Is it cold?
It's delicious.
It is very cold, and it tastes like strawberries. I love strawberries.
Leo, you have something on your face. A piece of paper.
Oh. It is the napkin. Thank you, Mia.
So, Leo, what do you do on weekends? Do you have hobbies?
I play video games. Pew pew. I love video games. It is fun.
Leo likes to play games. He is a gamer.
Video games are noisy. I prefer reading. I like books. Mia likes to read. She likes stories.
That is cool. We are different. I like games, you like books. Hey, Mia. Look outside. What is that? Look, Mia. A pet shop across the street.
Let's go! Let's go see the animals! Come on!
Be careful, Leo.
Look left. Look right.
Good job.
Wow. Wow. So many animals. Can we go inside?
Yes, we can, but be quiet. Shh. Welcome to the pet shop. There are birds, fish, and hamsters.
Oh my, that is a dog. A very big dog. The dog is barking. Help! It is scary! It is loud!
Don't be afraid. He is friendly. Look, he is wagging his tail.
Okay, I will try. Nice doggy. Good doggy.
Yuck! He licked me. It is wet. I like cats better. Cats are quiet. Cats are soft. Oops! Sorry, Mr. Cat.
Look at the parrot. It is beautiful. Parrots can talk.
Hello. I am Leo. Oh. Can you speak?
Hello. I am Leo. I am Leo.
I want a donut. Pink donut. I am lost. Hey, stop it! That is my donut. You are a naughty bird.
Time to go home, Leo. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, dog. Goodbye, funny bird. It is late afternoon. The sun is going down. Leo and Mia go back to the park.
I am tired. Walking is hard work. My feet hurt. Look, a bench. Let's sit down and rest.
This is good. I like sitting. Sitting is my favorite hobby.
We had a busy day. Do you remember the directions? Left and right?
Yes, left is this way, right is that way, and straight is that way.
And the coffee shop. What did you order?
I ordered a large coffee and a pink donut, but I dropped it. Oops.
We learned. Coffee, donut, smoothie, small, medium, large. Look behind you, Leo. There is a squirrel.
Fendi, there is a squirrel.
The squirrel smells the donut frosting.
And something is in my hair. A monster.
It is not a monster. It is a squirrel. He is stealing your cup.
Hey, come back. That is my coffee. That is my coffee. Stop, thief. Okay, you win. You can have the cup. I am tired.
He likes your cup. He is thirsty too. Let's go home, Leo.
Well, that was a crazy day. I lost my way, I lost my coffee, and I lost my cup.
But we learned a lot of English today. Did you have fun?
I had fun, even with the squirrel. English is fun. Please like this video if you want to see me again.
And subscribe to our channel for more English cartoons.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Synchronous time!
Goodbye, Leo. Goodbye, Mia. Directions: left, right, straight.
Ordering: coffee, tea, small, large. Animals: dog, cat, parrot, bird.
Whoops! Cut! I fell again!
Ow! He is eating my glasses.
I am just messy. Sorry.